Okay, now let's take a look at question 8. Okay, for the first one, area of minor sector. FHG. Okay, so in this question, right, okay, what you have been given is in radian. Okay, and because it's given in radian, so you must use the radian formula. Half r square theta. Okay, so this is the formula if you are given radian. Substitute in the length, okay, or the radius that you have been given, 10 square. Okay, so because it's given in the question that the radius for this is 10 and the radius for the smaller circle is actually 6. Okay, substitute your theta, 1.32. Okay, and then you will get your answer 66 cm squared. Alright, now next. Okay, moving on to question 8b. Now for question 8b, right, they want you to find the length HD. Okay, but if you look at the question, you look at the diagram, okay, the length HD, okay, if I draw a line on this triangle, okay, and then I will have a right angle here, okay, the length on the red line and the length of HD is actually the same. Okay, and at the top here, you will have a right angle triangle. Okay, you have a right angle triangle. Okay, and because of this, you just need to find the length of the red line based on the right angle triangle. Okay, now how do we go about doing it? Okay, let me first erase off those that is not needed. Okay, so to find the length of the red color line, okay, and because I have a right angle triangle, so same thing, okay, recall, okay, always take a look whether you can use Picasso to find. So for this case, you can use sine, okay, angle, HGE, okay, opposite is actually the red color line, the length of the red color line, and since the red color line length is the same as HD, so we will put HD over, okay, over GE. Okay, so we use the HD to represent the red color line. Okay, substitute in the value you know. Okay, how I get 16? Okay, it's actually 10 plus 6. Okay, now take note, okay, because the angle given is in radian, so you must change your calculator to radian mode. Okay, change your calculator to radian mode. Okay, and then your calculator, when you press, you will get 15.4994, round off to 3SF. Okay, make sure you indicate your unit. Okay, and remember one important thing, make sure you write down the word shown. Okay, because the question asks you to show. Okay, so you must have the word shown. Okay, so this is your answer for 8B. Okay, now to find question 8C. Okay, so for question 8C, they actually ask you to find the area of shaded region. Okay, so first of all, think about what is the formula you need in order to find the area of the shaded region. So in order to find the area of the shaded region, I can use the area of, okay, the trapezium. Okay, area of trapezium GHDE minus the area of sector FHG minus away the area of another sector, which is from the smaller circle, FED. Okay, so this is what you need. Okay, now if you want to find the area of sector FED, okay, same thing. Okay, you will use half r square theta, okay, which is half, okay, the length is 6, okay, or the radius is 6, okay, but how to find theta? Okay, how do you find theta? Okay, now to find theta, okay, this is actually angle FED. Okay, so how do we find angle FED? Okay, now pi radian represents 180 degree. Okay, so to find angle FED, use pi minus away 1.32. Now what is the reason? Okay, there is actually interior angle, and where is the interior angle is because GH is parallel to ED. Okay, these two lines is parallel. Now how do I know it's parallel? Because the question say that this is the radius to the tangent, so this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Okay, so that's how I know they are parallel. Use the calculator and press, you will get 1.82159 radian. Okay, again remember at least 5 decimal place, okay, because this is not your final answer. Okay, so now okay, therefore area of sector FED equals to half 6 square 1.82159. Okay, and the answer you will get will be, okay, so equals to this. Okay, now for this case, right, you don't need to calculate first. Okay, leave it as it is. Okay, and substitute. Okay, substitute inside here. Okay, substitute the working inside here. Okay, so now, okay, I know that. Is half 6 square 1.82159. Okay, area of trapezium is half, okay, at the length that is parallel to each other multiplied by the height HD minus, okay, now you have already found this in the earlier question, okay, and you know that is 6, okay, from earlier question, okay, from question 8A. Okay, now substitute in the value you know. So GH is actually the value 10. Length of HD 15.5 minus 66 Okay, use your calculator to press, you will get 25.2 cm squared, okay, to 3SF. Okay, so this is your working for question 8C. Okay, last part of question 8. Okay, same thing, perimeter of shaded region. Okay, so for the perimeter of the shaded region, right, we are actually calculating this length, this curve length, as well as this curve length. Okay, so add these three up, you will have your perimeter. Okay, so now what you are calculating is actually the arc length, HF, plus arc length, FD, plus HD. Okay, the length of HD. Substitute the length. Okay, 10 times 1.32. Okay, the formula for this is actually r theta. Okay, because the angle given is in radian. Plus 6 . Okay, so take note for the length HD. Okay, for length HD, okay, do not use do not use number, okay, that, okay, do not use a number that is more than, okay, that is more than this value. Okay, because in the earlier question they already say that, asked you to prove that HD is 15.5, and because HD is 15.5, okay, you will use this value, okay, instead of the 5 decimal place value. Alright, so take note of this. Okay, so let's continue with, okay, so you can press your calculator, okay, to check what is your answer for this question. Okay, again to 3SF. Okay, so this is the complete solution for question A, D.